Nexus 5, 32 gig white unboxing. Let's see how hard this shit is to get out. Google on the front in white. Tapes on the side. We'll take care of that. Two.
This side, more on this side.
There it is. Nexus 5 with the white earpiece right there.
Nice. How's that feel in your hand? How's that feel in your hand, bro?
Damn good, man. Plastic all around. Get this all off. Goddamn plastic. Let's see if I can make that sound. Speaker grill on the bottom.
Nice.
Micro USB charger port and HDMI port too. SlimPort. Plastic all around this bad boy. There it is.
That's beautiful.
This looks nice.
With the volume rockers on the side.
Yeah, volume rockers on the side right here. SIM card power. 8 megapixel camera with more tape.
Nice.
LED flash. Nexus. And there it is. It feels really good in the back though.
So really quickly, what's the specs on this again?
This is running a Snapdragon 800 processor, quad core, running at 2.26 gigahertz. LTE, HSPA Plus, compatible with Sprint, T-Mobile, AT&T. No love for Verizon.
Can you hear me now?
3.5 millimeter headphone jack. There's a microphone right there actually.
Okay.
And I believe there's another microphone. I'll find out later on. Yeah. Front facing camera, 1.3. Sensors on the front. 4.95 screen. Well, 5 inches.
Right. We give it the iPhone bump.
Yeah. Yeah. 1080p screen.
1080p recording.
IPS display. That's just nice. It's real nice. Real nice. Running Android 4.4 KitKat.
Stock. That's
Fully
pretty
stock.
dope.
And yeah, feels good. Feels nice. Feels real nice. All right, now let's see what comes in the box. Put that up. Put this over. Manuals, instructions, yada yada yada. Safety and warranty, blah blah blah. Pretty much. USB cord, power brick. Nothing else.
That's it.
SIM card, popper.
Just pop it off like that.
Just pop it off.
Let's see the other side real quick. Okay. But yeah, don't throw this paper out.
No, please don't. Please don't.
Alright, well, thanks, Junior, for letting us get this.
No problem.
We look forward to a full update from you soon.
Oh yeah. Give
us that impression of you putting it to the test. So,
well, and I certainly will.
is there anything you plan on doing it right out the box as far as like
I'm just gonna connect it. I'm gonna
connect it and let it run?
Let it run.
Okay. And this is one of 2 colors?
Yeah, there's black and there's white. But the black one is soft touch all the way around. Soft touch in the back and the side.
Okay.
The white is obviously the white over here. With the plastic on the side.
All right.
Looks nice, man. Damn.
All right. Now, just off of holding that, this compared to the 4, just the hold.
since I have the 4 right here,
Mm-hmm.
this feels like it has a more premium build because of glass all around.
Right. This is the elusive 4. The shit that'll fall off the table if you're not careful.
Yeah, pretty much. But as you said, it will slide compared to this. This is sad. I mean, if you have a Nexus 7 2013, you know how the back feels already. I mean, it just silky. Real comfortable to hold. It doesn't even feel like a 5-inch screen actually. It feels like a it's actually more narrow than Nexus 4. A little bit. It's slimmer than Nexus 4 too.
Yeah, so they put some work into it.
Yeah, that's nice. It's nice. It's nice.
Alright. Oh, Lifestyles is your boy Snow and Junior. Unboxing of the Nexus 5. And we out.